Welcome to a video by Abron. This is Inspirator's water bath or digital water bath, or this has a digital control. Here we have the on off switch. It is main switch. This is a load, means hitting off and on. You can switch it on. This tells you the temperature inside. Temperature is this one. Desired temperature is 50. Inside here I show you. This has a water. This has a water minimum. It should be level up to this. You can put the test tube stand or water bath or beaker or flask, anything. And this water should always be above the heater. Only for safety. I'm just putting as a sample. Chamber is sealed, single wall, and this one is stainless steel chamber. This is double walled. Outside is double walled. If you have to set the temperature, here it is showing 50 degree temperature. This is a set temperature. You have to keep it pressed. Then it starts telling you what is the temperature. And this will show, and then you can change the temperature from here. I'll show you. This tells you how to increase it, decrease it. You can increase the temperature from here and decrease it from this section, main on and off. And then this is the temperature. Here we have the digital control. Above is the inside temperature. Here is the desired temperature. You can switch off. Otherwise, it will automatically switch on and off. If the desired temperature is reached, it will on and off. You can use it for half an hour first. Now see, this temperature automatically stops because the temperature has thermostatically it is trying to maintain. There is no stirrer in this. We have another model with the stirrer, and please see the website and see the other videos by how to set the temperature of this other videos. And then we have got all the heating water bath, different kind oil. This is Abron exports from. WhatsApp number is 9992222 Another number is 94160200018. Email is abron01@gmail.com. Website is abronexports.com. Visit the website, see the videos, like the videos, share the videos. Thank you.